Hello mga kaayos, nandito ngayon kami sa Vietnamese Temple. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Hello mga kaayos, nandito ngayon kami sa Vietnamese Temple. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Ito nga kami, yan, yan agad. Ganda dito, ambience. So, ito yung hagdan pataas sa pagoda. Yan. Kapalik tayo dyan. Pinalak mo ng balag. Yan, papanikin natin itong napakataas na to. So, tayo dito. Yan, puno. Medyo umuna ng konti. Kaya basa-basa ng konti yung mga grass. Samahan niyo ako. Hindi, naka-ano yan. Tapos meron doon Buddha. Mapalik pa lang tayo. Yan. So ngayon, bawal tayong pumasok dyan. Bawal mag-video dyan sa loob. Siguro hanggang sa labas lang. Ayan, yan lang makikita natin dahil bawal tayo pumasok. Kaya na, Miss, din tayo. Lakad tayo. Dito masarap maglakad-lakad, parang ano yung nag-e-exercise. Para rin siyang Japan eh. Na may halong Chinese, na may halong Vietnamese. Ayan. Ganda dito, pwede kang pumanig doon, maglakad-lakad ka. Ito may gratitude. Gratitude stone. Saan ba tayo nagpunta nun? Yung may tempo. Yun yata yun eh. Sama ko po ang aking Esme. Esme! Yan, papunta tayo sa temple. Yan, ito yung temple. Papunta tayo dyan. Yan. So, yung ibang tao dito, nagagawa siya yan. Parang may ibig sabihin yan. Bato. Ang ibig sabihin yan, parang mihan ang may tatayo. Yata. Ewan ko. Yan o. Parang wish. Ewan ko. Gratitude o ano. Yan o. Gagawa ka dyan. Yan. Kung sino pinakamataas, panalo. Eh, yun ang mataas o. Yun nandun. Panalo yan. So, gratitude. So, watch out for snake. Ibig sabihin, may ahas dyan. Delikado. Tayo. So, ayan o. Ganda ng moods. Pwede kang magdala ng ano dito, ka-date. Ganda ng view, ng mood, ng background. Oh. Wow, may lip-lip para din. So, punta tayo sa elevator. Natin. Pwede kang mag-lift o elevator. Ano natin kung ano pa. Ito na yung temple. Yan ang temple. Pero bawal dyan mag-video sa loob. Kangaroo. Tignan natin. Tignan natin kung makakakita tayo. Tignan natin kung makakahuli tayong kangaroo. Oh, tumatakbo pa kayo. Hintayin nyo ako. Yun, tumatakbo. Takbuhan. Oh. Kailangan mahabol natin. Yan na, malapit na. Yan na, ang kangaroo. Nagbalik ulit tayo sa Australia, may kangaroo na. Kanina, nasa Japan tayo eh. Ha? Teka, ulihin natin, baka mahuli natin yung isa. Bo. Kang aalis. Lapitan natin. Makakainin natin ang damo, ang kangaroo. Antayin mo ko, kala mo, mabilis ako tumakbo. Kainin natin ang kangaroo. Dito tayo sa una, nauuna. Ayan ang kangaroo. This is how you feed kangaroo. Kain ka na. Kain na. Takaw, naupos oh. Mataas dito. Buti na lang, nahabol ko tong mga kangaroo na to. Kala ko, hindi ko kayo aabutan eh. Baba na tayo. Balik tayo dun sa bilihan ng Buddha. Wait, dito tayo. Oh. Bili tayo ng Buddha, yung nagpapaypay. Oo. Let's go. Naambon na. Parang umaambon na siya. Punta tayo dun sa store, bibili tayo ng Buddha. Hello? Hello, hello. This 25 as well?
No, this 25. This 25.
Oh,
All
yeah.
this 25.
40.
40.
Okay.
No. Oh, this one.
Okay. Yeah. So only this.
Yeah, oh, this one.
Yes, yes.
Oh, yeah. How much for it?
You like that? Oh, this one.
You like it?
We just walk there for a while and then we come
Yeah,
back.
sure,
Okay.
no problem.
Thank you.
Yeah, walk around.
Oh.
Go.
Yeah. Thank you. So, ano? Meron na naman tayo.
You didn't get
Hmm.
dito na ka.
Ito yung may ano, tea. So, 38. Yun na lang.
Yun na yun.
Saka yun. Kapikit naman yun. Is this, you can put on your car?
Yeah, you can because it's solar.
Solar. Yeah.
Work with solar. Yeah. It's
Okay.
solar.
Yeah.
She said, yes. I'll bring you lottery. Yes.
Big money, yes.
Everything is good. They said, yes.
How are you? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Diba, ano? Ito maganda rin. Parang umiikot-ikot. Ganda, oh. Is this with lights? At night? This one?
With
Lights?
Guan Yin.
Yeah.
Also solar or with the work with battery.
Ah,
way,
okay.
There's either way to do.
Either way, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. How much?
This one 30.
30. 30, okay. No, this one I like. You got new? Or,
Yeah, I got the new one.
yeah. Can we have one of that and then saan ito? 48?
And 40.
Yeah.
I think this one, when it's moving, you have to be in the level ground. Because
Okay.
if something up, something down, it will
Okay.
move.
Okay. This one move. Yeah, now it's moving.
Okay, but it's even,
So yeah, okay.
right?
Got it,
Okay,
yeah.
this is the
This one and you
You
gonna
want
buy.
me to open, have a look?
Yes, please. You can
Have a look better because
Yes.
don't want
return and then I
you know,
would say
something go home and then
yeah.
something don't happy, so no good.
yeah, you're right. Yes. Oh, that one is gonna put on the card. This one,
Yeah.
sticker, okay? Okay.
Because they have a one stick there.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
for you to stick on. Alright?
Okay. One of that and then ito maganda. Ito maganda.
Sige na ko, good. Di naman siya ako.
Ito. Ayan, punta tayo sa harap. Oh, sorry, sorry. Yeah. Ito? Oo nga. Ito, ganda na lang yun. And then this one also.
This one?
Yeah. You don't have black Buddha.
No.
No.
Don't you like this one?
Oh, this one.
This one
Oh,
also nice. You want?
you like that? Oh, this.
Yeah.
Yes?
This one is good.
Okay.
This one is very good.
Okay.
Because that means whenever you go, it's safety.
Okay. This one as well, same?
Yeah, it's the same, but I mean it's
Alright.
yeah, you look like it's white. No.
This one together?
No. I want to, but it's not for me.
Okay.
For the temple. That's
Yes,
why.
okay. I grab that. Oh. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Brand new.
It's brand new.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. This one can put on the car as well.
Yeah, you can because some people put in the living room, whether in the car, whatever they want.
Yeah.
Living room. Living room.
Yeah.
Yeah, much better. Yes.
Yes, okay.
So this one,
25 and
25 and 18.
yes.
All right.
Okay. Hindi kasi kailangan gumagalaw yan. Oh.
We don't have the new one for you.
Yeah.
This one any money. $5 or something whatever.
That's nice.
Yeah, because we put in the storeroom and then it's all right this way.
Ah.
And then if you get the car, you can reverse it, spray something,
Yeah.
make it better. The restaurant is good.
How much you want? $5?
$5.
Okay. Take it.
Okay, $5. Huh?
Okay. That's good luck as well.
It is.
Yeah.
This one is happy because all the way
Yeah.
here. Right?
Okay.
Happy, longevity, love,
No,
well, almost
good job.
everything.
Thank you.
Almost everything.
Yeah. All right.
I put
Ah,
in a small bag.
Yeah.
separate.
All right. Wow. Lagay ko yan dun sa sa harap siguro. O sa likod. Harap. Dapat dalawa. Kailangan nakahanginan siya. Para tutunog siya. Sige. Sama ko dito. Okay?
It's okay, like
Yeah.
this way.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, and
Okay.
then
The two box.
the two boxes. That is fine. 30.
Oh yeah. Can I pay card here? Yeah.
Yeah, 30 plus 18. Plus 18 is 48, right?
30 plus 8, yeah, 48 plus.
Can't count.
Yeah.
Put it there.
No, I'll hold it.
You hold it?
Yeah.
All right, good.
Okay. So,
Okay.
uh,
I'll put the
yeah, ito. Yeah. No, it's alright. I'll just hold it. Okay, where's everything? Okay.
Here.
Thank you.
48. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. The copy.
No worries. Yeah.
Thank you. All the best.
Yeah, all the best.
Okay.
Thank you.
You got everything. Love,
Yeah.
wealth, and everything. I long to you.
Thank you.
Okay. All the best. Huh?
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
So, pag gusto nyo bumili kay ate, punta na kayo dito sa Vietnamese temple sa Cayama. So, makakabili kayo ng mga ganito eh. Ayan, mga Buddha. May lekang Buddha. Saka this one, itong ano, good luck. Parang good luck siya. Tapos hindi mo. Nakita ko sa inyo. Ito, maganda to. Lalagay natin sa kotse. Ayan. Nagalaw yan, oh. Ayan. Okay. So, hanggang dito na lang siguro ang vlog ko. Sana lagi nyo akong subaybayan. At sana lagi nyo panoorin ang channel ko. Subscribe and like at comment. Sana nag-comment kayo sa susunod na video ko kung ano naman ang topic natin. Pero kung may idea kayo, basta i-comment nyo lang. Salamat sa manonood.